In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT here on an iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To begin, obviously go ahead and open up ChatGPT, and this can be opened up directly in your browser. But for the best experience, especially on an iPhone, I'd recommend just opening up that App Store, hitting the little search button, and then just searching up ChatGPT and downloading the official ChatGPT app. Once you go ahead and do that, open up ChatGPT, sign in with your account or create an account, and after you do that, you can literally ask ChatGPT anything. For example, I just said, "Hey ChatGPT," and it responded, or you can ask it to find flights from, LA to London. Really, whatever you want, ChatGPT can be used for. And that's a wide variety of things, from everyday questions to work, school, research. It responds in a very conversational way, and it feels like you're chatting with a real person. Another great feature is ChatGPT offers different language models depending on what you're doing, whether you're coding, doing deeper analysis, scanning documents, or just asking simple questions. There's going to be a model designed for that. If you tap the model selector up in the top left, which is just that ChatGPT name, you could see auto, instant, and deeper thinking modes. And you could switch between this, or you could also go into the legacy models, which are just here to use. I usually recommend just sticking with the latest version since it is the most up to date, and it'll give you the best and most current information, but that's really all there is to it. ChatGPT on an iPhone is extremely easy to use once you know where everything is. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.